Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. This video is all about how to grow the bleeding heart vine from cuttings the most easiest way. Here I have two different varieties. One is white and red and other one is red color. For both the plants we need to do the same thing and you are going to see everything step by step with results. I would also inform you about few very important things that we need to do to get the blooms on our cuttings much faster. So let's start the video now. As you can see, here I have already collected a stem of bleeding heart vine. Next, we need to follow few steps. First, select a pencil width stem or like the one I am selecting. On second, I am cutting below a node in 45-degree angle. We need this node so that roots are going to grow well. On third, cutting horizontally on the top part. I usually do this so that while planting I am not going to get any doubt like which way was the up and which way was the down. Please also make sure that its cuttings are 6 to 8 inches long. Next, again I am going to follow the same thing for the red bleeding heart vine. So guys, here I have already prepared the cuttings of red bleeding heart vine. So let's plant them now. For the pot, going to use one 6-inch pot, and for potting soil mix, I am taking 40% normal garden soil, 30% coco peat and rest 30% vermicompost. See, many people prefer to use only sand. But here I am using good soil mix as my aim is to get flowers on these cuttings much faster. Here I am using number 2 rooting hormone powder. It's mainly used for semi-hardwood cuttings and it's available on Amazon. Instead of rooting hormone powder, you can also use aloe vera gel or honey, something like this. If you like, you can also scratch a bit at the bottom part, then dip the cuttings in plain water and then rub the rooting hormone powder. But it's also okay if you don't do all these things as bleeding heart roots very easily and you can just do whatever I am doing. At the time of planting, please make sure that at least one node is inside the soil and you can keep 1 to 2 inches of the stems inside the soil. Again, to get the flowers much faster, we also need to do everything at the right time. See, bleeding heart vine starts to bloom from around April, and if we do everything at the end of February, we would get the blooms much faster. I did at the end of February, and if you are wondering what is the best time, then please note that spring is always the best time to grow anything from cuttings. Even now, that means in summer also you can do that. Alright, first part is done and next it's time to water. I am really very sorry to say that I actually forgot to record at the time of watering the cuttings, but this is the same way I did. These are not the bleeding heart cuttings. Next, I am going to keep the pot only in bright area. You may be also wondering when to water for the next time. Please do only when the top soil is absolutely dry, something like this. So we are able to see some good things, and from today onwards I am going to do two very important things. First, I would keep the pot under direct sunlight for minimum 5 to 6 hours so that they would grow fast and produce the blooms. As of now, my pot was only in a bright area. On second, I am also going to water them more frequently, and that is every alternate day. At this stage, we should keep the soil consistently moist and should not let the topsoil dry out. If we do that, leaves are going to wilt. So guys, this is the final result after 90 days, and I am really very glad that I am able to show you lots of flowers on the cuttings. Plus it's a 100% success result, as we can see the new growths on its cuttings. Next, please allow me to do the last important thing, and that is I feel happy whenever I am able to show the healthy roots. I also believe you would feel more satisfied if I show you the roots. So let's do it. As we can see, quite healthy roots, and all of them are looking really very good. I also know that you are worrying as I have removed all the soil, but please note that you don't have to worry about anything. I am not going to let them die, and I would plant all of them today itself. So guys, that's it, and here you have seen how easily we can grow the bleeding heart vine from cuttings. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to gardening update. Thank you very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Have a great time, enjoy, and stay safe.
Okay guys, this is me and this is my puppy, and Kali I have a zoo, and I have to set up a Kali because there's no more time for today, and see you tomorrow when I will set up today Kali.
Tomorrow or Kali?